Hi, I'm Christine from christinescrafts.com, and today I'm going to be unboxing a cross-stitch starter kit from the Craft Den in the UK. Hopefully it'll help you decide if this is the kit for you. Firstly, you receive this parcel, and this is what the box inside will look like. Beautifully packaged, so if you want it for a gift, it's already ideal. Simply let yourself in, and let's have a look what's inside. When you open it up, you'll see that it's beautifully presented with everything wrapped in this lovely branded paper and sealed with a little sticker. Inside the box lid, it shows us exactly what the kit is. So let's open up the paper and take out what's inside. So first of all, we've got the cross stitch frame that we're actually going to do the cross stitch on, which is a little wooden one. Plenty of embroidery thread, we're not going to run out on this kit. And in this little bag, we've got a needle and a needle threader. So we've got everything we need. The only extra you'd need is a pair of scissors. In the bottom of the kit, we've got a nice instruction sheet. Plenty of detail on it. So I'll close the box and we'll just run through what we've got. The instruction sheet includes some instructions on how to do cross stitch because it's a beginner kit, and also a beautiful pattern. Now note that the pattern is in colour, which as a beginner will be a huge help, make it much easier to follow. So we've got our little frame, which makes a thread minder. We've got our needle threader, and our yarn. So I hope that's helped you decide if it's for you. Thank you for watching this little video, and if you would like to subscribe, that would be great. And click the bell, you'll be able to hear every time I post a video, and any comments and a thumbs up. So thank you for watching. Bye.